Welcome back to MotorHub 1003, where we don't just review cars, we time travel through chrome, fins, and full-throttle nostalgia. Today, we've got a car that defines an era. A car that didn't whisper luxury, it screamed it with tail fins and 4-digit curb weight. Say hello to the 1959 Lincoln Continental, currently stealing the spotlight on Bring a Trailer, and it's dripping in full-on 1950s extravagance in an age where modern cars are shrinking and blending into each other. The 1959 Continental is the exact opposite. This car demands space, attention, and respect. With its skyscraper-sized chrome grille, slab-sided design, and dramatic tail fins, it's not just a car. It's a four-wheeled monument to mid-century American confidence. This isn't retro. It's rolling architecture. The 59 Continental didn't care about subtlety. At nearly 19 feet long, this was Lincoln's statement to the world that it could build something bigger, bolder, and more glamorous than anything else on the road. It was longer than a Cadillac, heavier than most trucks, and dressed like it was headed to the Oscars. The example listed on Bring a Trailer is a time capsule. The sweeping body lines, wide white walls, and an interior that looks like it was pulled straight out of a Frank Sinatra dream sequence. Every button, every dial, every stitch is a love letter to 50s American excess. Under the hood, you'll find a massive 430 cubic inch V8, the kind of engine that didn't ask for efficiency, it demanded fuel. It pushed out 350 horsepower, which might not sound crazy today, but back then it was more than enough to move. This 5,000-pound land yacht like a king's carriage on a freeway, paired with a smooth automatic transmission and all the creature comforts of its time, like power windows, power seats, and even factory air conditioning, this Lincoln wasn't just built to drive. It was built to glide. This car is turning heads on Bring a Trailer, and for good reason. Cars like this don't come around often in this kind of condition. The paint pops, the chrome sparkles, and the interior is as plush as a jazz lounge booth. It's the kind of ride that car collectors dream about and preservationists pray someone never restomods. In a sea of modern builds, minimalist styling, and tech-heavy interiors, this Lincoln stands as a reminder that sometimes more is more. At MotorHub 1003, we love cars that tell stories, and this one tells a story of optimism, style, and ambition. The 1959 Lincoln Continental wasn't trying to blend in. It was designed to show off everything America was proud of in the post-war boom: prosperity, power, and freedom. Driving it today isn't just about nostalgia. It's about experiencing a moment in time when design had no rules and luxury had no limit. The 1959 Lincoln Continental is more than a collector's piece, it's an icon. It's what happens when a car company lets the designers dream big and the engineers build even bigger. If you're into automotive history, full-size classics, or just want to see what pure, unfiltered Americana looks like on wheels, this is it. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you cruise in this chrome giant or park it in a private collection? Either way, it's a masterpiece of motion that deserves the spotlight. Stick around with MotorHub 1003 for more timeless machines, auction spotlights, and deep dives into automotive legends. Like, share, and subscribe because chrome never dies and legends never fade.